Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2012 Ram 4500 we have for sale. It's a 6.7 liter Cummins diesel. It's a 4-wheel drive. It's got 184,000 miles on it. It's a one-owner truck out of California, so it has no rust. This seat is vinyl and that seat's cloth for whatever reason, I'm not sure. But it is what it is. Air blows cold, cold, cold. 184 on the mile, basically 185. It's got 11-foot RKI service bed, Champion air compressor. Work lights. Go turn this air compressor off. That thing's already at about 80 to 90 pounds of air. So it's definitely pumping wind. This fuel tank and pump works. It's hooked up to electric pump and you can turn it on inside the truck. This one does not. It's not hooked up. The reel's not hooked up to that tank. So, you know, if you would want, I guess you'd have to get another pump for it. But we left it in the truck. Somebody might want to hook it back up themselves or whatever, but that one does not work. This one does work. Go ahead and work the crane while I'm right back here at it. Winch down, boom up, down, side to side. Of course it does, you know, a lot more than the up and down and all that. I'm just showing you the basic stuff on it. Winch back up. It's a 3,200 pound auto crane. If you watch my channel or a subscriber or you look at our eBay ads, obviously you see all we deal in is mostly service trucks. Probably 98% of our trucks are service trucks with a crane and compressor. All that equipment. Anytime we see one in California, we try to get it bought because they just really keep them up out there. They're some of the nicest trucks we buy. 9 times out of 10 when they come in, they don't have anything wrong with them, and if it does, it's just something minor. They're just really nice trucks. I guess their regulations and all that stuff out there, they have to have inspections. They don't have a choice about keeping their trucks up and keeping them roadworthy. So, you know, no check engine lights, runs out good. Tires aren't new, but they're definitely got some miles left in them. 4-wheel drive truck, which is kind of hard to find. We don't really, most of the Dodges we get are always 2-wheel drive, so it's rare to see one in a 4-wheel drive for whatever reason. I don't know why, but again, it's a 2012 Ram 4500 4-wheel drive, 6.7 with 185. Let me turn this pump on. You can hear that thing running too. It's on this first switch here. And the other switch there is your lights. CD player, air conditioning. Just a really nice truck. If you're interested, give us a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of it. If you're looking out of state and you want to have it shipped, our website, or I'm sorry, looking out of state and you want to have it shipped, we can ship this truck straight to your door. Figure somewhere around $1.25 a mile on this truck. It's not a real big truck, but it's still got some heavy stuff on it, so you know, somewhere around there. Another thing I'll show you while we're here, the Dodges have their own, you know, you can idle them up off the cruise control. So if you're running the crane and you want to, you know, idle the truck up, just hit the cruise on, you hit set, and you can run it up with the, right there, you can increase it. So see it increase. Just thought I'd show you that, but give us a call if you're interested. Thanks for watching.